dinner after class. So we are behind time with almost 9 minutes. This is not good. It's very, 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 very bad. So now we're going to talk about what we call algebraic expression. This is the revision for grade 8. The revision for grade 8. We're going to talk about the algebraic expression. Is an algebraic expression. So when we're talking about algebraic expression, remember in grade 8 you learned that terms are separated by plus or sorry. Hello? You have learned that terms are separated by plus or. Mufuna, I think you have to unlock your mic. Ane, your background, there's no noise today. You can't see.
I can't see. Like screening wanna, but I can't see what you're writing. Like it's
Okay,
low.
let me just repeat to share the screen. How about now?
I had to yes, just write something, then I'll be fine.
Okay, I was talking about this algebraic expression. Did you see the trick that I just marked there?
Oh yes, yes.
Okay, so now when we're talking about this algebraic expression, I was saying the terms that you learned that in grade 8 that terms are separated by plus or.
Minus.
Terms are separated. Yes, terms are separated by plus or minus. So a term is an algebraic expression that can be a single number or a combination of number and variables. So we mean letters multiplied together. Like as an example, we can say this is a term, or we can say this is a term. Because the term can be what? A number or what? A combination of numbers and what? And a variable. Are we still together? Hello?
Start all over again.
Huh?
Start all over again.
Okay, I said as a term is an algebraic expression that can be a single number or a combination of numbers and variable, which is letters. So multiplied together. You understand?
Yes.
Let's say as an example, can you see the example that I have just uploaded on the screen? Okay. So now let's say we've got this example. There we go. They say write down the number of terms in the following algebraic expression. Write down the number of what? Of terms in the following algebraic expression. So the first one I've got how many terms?
1.
One term. The second one?
1.
One term. And the third one?
1.
Now we've got 1, 2. You see that? There
Oh,
are two terms separated by plus sign. Did you see that?
oh, yes.
We're good now, right?
Uh,
So it means we've got two terms. The fourth one I've got what?
1.
Yes. However, we have got two terms inside the what? The brackets. However,
Bracket.
the brackets group the term together and they are considered as a one term. It means we've got one term. E, how many terms do we have?
2.
Yes, there are two because they are separated by plus sign, because this one inside the bracket, so we consider it as a one term. It means we've got two terms. F, how many terms do we have?
3.
Yes, so we've got three terms. But G, how many terms do we have?
2. 2. Yeah, 2.
We've got two terms, yes. You see, those people, they give you a bracket. Some of the people, they get confused. And how many terms?
Uh, eh? Isn't it? Because it's multiplication. I don't know.
No, no, no,
I
no,
think
no,
it's
no, no,
1 or
no, no,
2.
no, 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 no. May you please try to use a little bit of English?
It's 1 term. Eh?
How
Yeah, it's
can
1
you,
term.
may you please explain why are you saying there's a one time?
X. Nah, 3 are in this like in the same bracket, and then multiplied by y plus 1 in a bracket. Then those two, then we multiply them together. Then they become like one, like they become the same thing. Like I don't know. I don't know.
Brackets shows what? One term. This is
Yes.
a one term. Yes, this is a one term. Here we go.
2.
No, this is a one term. This is a single fraction.
What? Oh,
A single fraction is always considered as a one term. No matter how many terms are there in a number, in the numerator or in the denominator.
wait, was somebody slow and go to the water? Ah,
Hello? Fraction iti iba iko valwa sa term nthihi zwi ḓi tonga bracket. So yaba na division nthihi i vhalwa sa term nthihi. Unless khere vha ḓa vha ri plus
okay.
hafha vha ri 2 over x. Heyi ndi term ya vhungana? Ya vhuvhili.
Yeah, we did.
U zwi vhona ndi?
Ah,
Okay. So this is a one term. So can we proceed to the next page?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now, as far as we're concerned, so now, uh, let's talk about what we call polynomials. Let's talk about what we call polynomials. So what do you understand by polynomial?
Okay. It is is eh,
A polynomial,
is no.
a polynomial is an algebraic expression. Is an algebraic expression which consists of one or more, which consists of one or more terms. And there are specific names given to the polynomial with 1, 2, there are specific names given to polynomial with 1, 2, and 3, and 3 terms. So a monomial is a
I wanna name them.
poly-
I wanna name them.
is a polynomial consisting of what?
Of one term.
Is a polynomial consisting of one term, e.g., we can say 3
2x.
or 5x or 4x squared. How good.
Yes.
And we've got a binomial. Binomial is a polynomial consisting of what?
2 terms.
It's a polynomial consisting of 2 terms, e.g., 3 plus y or 4x minus 2. How good.
Yes.
So now, if we can check very clearly, you will tell that indeed, again, we've got a trinomial. Remember, mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3. a trinomial polynomial is a what? Really?
Consisting of three terms.
It's a polynomial consisting of three terms. Kg, we can say 10 minus 2x plus 7y. Oh, good.
Yeah.
So you must know about what we call a polynomial. You must know about what we call the what? A polynomial.
Yeah.
So can we go to what we call the next slide? Only if you don't have any question.
Mm.
You don't have any question.
Yes.
The way you understand everything. And this thing we did it last time, just that we never checked the whether is it for second term or what, but I'm glad that is for a second term. So proceed.
Mm.
And now let's take this example and see how we are going to remunerate it. Can we see what is written?
Yes.
Okay. So let's try to attempt those questions. The first question says what? Before we
What
go
type
to
of
the first question,
polynomial is
by
shown above?
reading what is given, they say examine what?
The polynomial 5x to the power 2 plus y plus 10.
You understand what is a coefficient?
Yes.
Okay. If you do understand what is a coefficient, then it's fine. But now, let's do a solution for A. On A, they say what?
What type of polynomial is shown above?
Okay, what type of polynomial is shown above? And you get that, what type is that really of that polynomial is it?
Trinomial.
Why are you saying so?
Because that's three terms.
Yes, it's a trinomial because it have got a three terms in the expression. Then what is the coefficient of x squared? We go to x squared and we check the number that
5.
is, then we get that is 5. See, they say what is the coefficient
5.
of y? Sorry?
1.
It's
1.
1 because if it is not written, it means there's a 1 that is there's a 1 that is what? Imaginary number, is that so? So the second one, they said,
Yes.
what are the variable in the above polynomial? Do you know what is a variable?
X. Yes.
The variable is x
X and Y.
and y. Then they
Wow.
said, what is the constant term? What is a constant term? A constant term is a term that does not have a
As in
variable. In other words, the number ine aina the alphabet rimidza uri ndi mini is a constant term. The number rimisa unga yote ini ndi kudai. Sorry?
10. 10.
It's 10. They say, what is the degree of the expression? How do we get the degree? Let me add it here. NB.
We look at the highest exponent.
Yes, the degree comes
Exponent.
from the highest, comes from the variable with the highest power, right?
Uh,
So now, it means our degree is what?
2.
2. Do you have any question, or we can proceed to the next question?
Proceed.
It's allowed to ask, and we need people who ask questions. So now, people are facing network problem today. People are facing network problem. Some are saying the link is not working, and I don't know how I could assist them and those things everybody. So now, let's see the next question. Let's say we have this kind of equation. Those questions are simple and straightforward as long as you understood what we did on the first. If you understand those things, what do you do now? Okay, if you understand those things, then you will be fine here. So now, let's try to attempt this question. I'm giving you how many minutes?
5. 10.
No, 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 no. No, and no, and no again. I'm giving you 3 minutes.
Rin'wana na question kana ri sokondula.
Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. No more question.
Rin'wana na question na.
Just answer the question. There's no use to write questions. But yeah, there's no use because I'm still going to send you the recording.
I'm done.
That's so fast. So can we do the correction?
Yeah.
unanofedza. So let's do the solution. What did you get on A?
2.
You get 2. B, what did you get?
-5.
The coefficient is the number that is near what is being asked. The number never got seen here in such. They say what is the constant term in the expression?
0.
Yeah, it is 0 because it's not shown. There must be plus what? 0 here. If it is not shown, then it's what? It's 0. Let's say what is the degree of the expression?
3.
Right. So is those things difficult?
Yeah.
Do you have any question or we can proceed? Hello?
Proceed.
Okay.
Wait
So
a minute.
now,
Oh, wait a minute.
let's talk about the distributive law. Distributive. Let's talk about the distributive law. So in grade 8, you have learned that the distributive law states that when using the distributive law, the number in front of the brackets must multiply by every number inside the what? The brackets. Let's say as an example, if you are having let's say x into a plus b plus c. So this is nothing but going to be equals to, you're going to multiply. This is a, this one, this x is going to multiply this x is going to multiply this x is going to multiply this. Then we've got what? Ax. Is that so? And plus b x. Then plus c x. If you can check, you will tell that indeed our what? Our x multiplied everything inside the what? The brackets. Are we still together? Let's say we're going to simplify this 5 into, let's say 3x minus 1 plus 4 into or now I think your mic is on and you are speaking. Hello? I think your mic is on. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. When you are attending, you can loop your mic. Then when you want to ask your question, you can unloop it. No?
Okay.
Then this is 4 into x plus 2. Then how do we distribute this? We can tell that indeed our 5 is going to multiply with what? With 3x. 5 times 3x is like 5 times 3, which is 15. But there's an x times 1 is like x. So 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. Therefore, we are done with the first brackets. Now we're going to the second brackets. Plus 4 times x is positive 4x. And plus 4 times 2 is positive 8. Then when we group the like terms, you can tell that what happened here, this one multiply this and this one multiply that. Here, this one multiply this and that one multiply that. So when we are grouping the like terms, we can group the one for what? We can group the one for what? Hello?
You said
Guys?
what? You said what? You said what?
I said when we group the like terms, what do we check?
We check the same variables. Like if H and H, they're the same variables, kana if yeah, kana dengan the same variable and then you like group them.
Okay. So now it's like 15x plus 4x, which is nothing but equals to what?
19.
19x.
19x.
Then we got minus 5 plus 8, which give us plus 7.
3.
Is it difficult?
5.
Let's take number 2. Then on number 2, we've got 4 into 2p minus 5 minus 3 into p minus 1. Then when we simplify this, well, we want to have what? 4 times 2p is 8p. 4 times this one is negative 20. So this 4 multiply that, and this 4 multiply that. And we're going to 3 minus 3 times that one is minus 3p. And minus 3 times that one is positive 3. Then we're going to have 8p minus 3p. And those two are the like terms. So we get nothing but what? 5p. Then minus 20 plus 3. Then we get negative 70. I will find. Yes, I can see the hand. You can ask.
Okay. I don't know if I'm right now. But then why like also ngopangwa bracket after we multiplied like 8p minus 20 data bracket, then 3p
No, no.
plus 3 data bracket, then
After removing, We don't put brackets.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, good.
Yes.
So let's go to the next slide. Is that so?
Mm.
May you please, you guys, you do this one, -3 into 2y plus 3. The first one is yours. And the second one, it will be for Una. This one, but write everything, you guys. Or let's say the first one is for Una and the second one is for my phone. There we go. I'm giving you 4 minutes in all of those two equations.
I'm done.
Okay, can you please present your solution? Let's start with the one for Una.
Okay.
Una, may you please unmute your mic and represent the solution on Arena?
Okay.
Una, you have unlocked your mic and there's someone behind you who is making a lot of noise. So I just decided to loop your mic.
Done.
Okay, may you please represent your solution? Ah, Una,
Yeah. Let's get my
ambani
sheet.
zina mwara.
Then I want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, move. Oh, no, may you please start from number 3.
Number 3.
Yes.
Okay, running worry.
Ayo, tomorrow ni fuke question in.
Oh, you said I must write number 4.
I said you will present number 4, but write everything. Okay, we're going to say minus 3 times 2y, then we get negative 6y. Then we say minus 3 times 3, we get negative 9. Then here we've got a 1, which is an imaginary number. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4y. Then negative 1 times negative 2 is positive
Plus
2.
2.
Then what do we do?
Group like terms.
We group the like terms. We take our calculator and we press negative 6 minus 4. Then we'll get what? Negative 10. But those things is going with y. This is negative 10y. And minus 9 plus 2 is negative 7. Did you guys understand now?
Yes.
So now you have to be serious by listening very carefully, because if we give you a question and you don't answer, it shows that you are not participating. And mathematics need people who are serious. Mufuna, may you please present your solution now?
Okay, ndina solution imbili ne.
Solution ya imba rundinti. Solution ya imba rundinti.
But mina I have 2 and it's yafana.
Okay, it means rundinti.
And like the answer yafana.
Hey, I read.
Okay, the first step that I did, I first determined minus a sigisi. Determined minus a 5 from 6, which gave me 1. Then I multiplied it by
Then,
2a. Then that one,
hello,
2a.
hello, listen. That solution is totally wrong. It's 0. Skip it. Go to the next one.
Let me go to the other one. Okay, I said 6 times 2a, which gave me 12a. Then I was then
You said what?
negative 5
I,
times 2, which gave me.
Funwa, may I please beg your
The
pardon?
remainder 6. Okay, 6 times 12a.
Where did you get 6
Then
times the 2?
I multiplied the 6 and 2, like don't multiply, yeah.
How come this 6 passes this sign and goes here?
Oh,
You see that you need to practice.
but let me do my
This is-
answer.
No, it's totally wrong. You are abusing mathematics.
Okay.
We write 6
I'm
the
back.
way.
Okay.
Listen. You write 6 the way it is. The things that is going to multiply is the one that is near the bracket, which is minus 5. Minus 5 is going to multiply this. Minus 5 is going to multiply this. The same way we're doing things from here. This one multiply this one multiply that. This one multiply this one multiply that.
Okay.
Only things that multiply is the one that is near the bracket. Are we good?
Okay. Yes.
So we're going to say minus 5 times 2a. Then we get negative what? 10a.
10.
We said minus 5 times our 2, we get negative what? 10. Then we group the like
10.
terms. We'll go to 6 minus 10, which is nothing but minus 4. Then negative 10a doesn't have a friend, then we write it like that. And this is our final solution. Are we good? So you must not do this. Is incorrect.
Okay.
So now, as far as we are concerned, let's say now, let's get the last two examples, then we end the meeting. I will send you the recording, so you guys, you have to practice more and more so that you don't fail. Then now, here we go. We're going to have 3 times 4p is what? Of p. This 3 is going to multiply this. This 3 is going to multiply that. Then we've got 3 times minus 1. We've got minus 3. Then our minus 2 is written like that because it doesn't have anything to do with the brackets. Then we've got 12p. You press your calculator this. You said minus 3 minus 2. We have got minus 5. Did you get it? Hello? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed. Then we've got 3 plus. If you don't get it, you must unlock your mic and ask. 4p minus 1 multiplied by 2. Now things changes. If you can see, you can tell that indeed this is 3. 3 has nothing to do with this. This 2 is going to multiply that, and we've got plus 8p, and this 2 is going to multiply this. You can see the screen.
Your freezer. Like your freezer.
Yeah, we've got a network problem. How about now?
You turn it on.
Then you get 2 times that one is minus 2. Then when we group the like term, we've got 1 plus 8p. Any question? Unani nambuso. So this is the end of our lesson for today. Then let me upload you the recording so that you may rewatch the lesson. Thank you guys for your time.
Okay.
Bye.